Hi, I'm Bob Linden, and I'm the president of Peak Management Consulting and Training. And as a result of my work, and just because I've lived as long as I have been in hundreds, literally hundreds of offices, and I have worked with literally thousands of people. And what I'm about to tell you, and what my wife is also going to share with you about our experience in Dr. Guerra's office, I think you'll be both surprised, pleased as well. And I got to know Dr. Guerra when we were working out at the same gym just recently, and I got a chance to talk with him. I found out that he is recently retired from the Air Force as a colonel, and was the chief of surgeons out there at the Air Force Academy. Having worked there myself, I know that it takes quite a bit to be able to get there, so I was impressed immediately with him. But I had a chance over the ensuing months to be able to ask him a few medical kinds of questions, some things that I had researched on my own already. And when I got his answers, I was very impressed with his knowledge base as well. So when a friend of ours asked, who would we recommend in town for a dentist, we didn't have any problems at all saying, why don't you try Dr. Guerra? Well, they were very pleased when they came here. And when it came our turn, because my wife found out she was going to need an implant, which, by the way, she'd been through before. It was expensive, it was extensive, it was painful, and it took over a year to be able to take care of that we wanted to have a second opinion. So we scheduled her for an opportunity to meet Dr. Guerra. And what was your experience like?
Well, my name is Patty, and I came to Dr. Guerra's office, and he was able to save my tooth. He put a new crown on, built up the base, and it's done very well, and I've been very, very pleased. The people at his office are very professional. His equipment is state-of-the-art, and the decor in his office is really lovely. They have a lot of hand-painted murals, and as speaking as a decorator, that just appealed to me. But the work has been superb.
And you've had more than just that one thing done.
Yeah. I have had several things done, and I've been very pleased, very happy with the service and the professionalism.
Right. Well, then it became my turn, and I came in just expecting to have a review of my mouth and made sure that everything was okay, because we would go to the dentist every 6 months and have our teeth cleaned and have it examined. I was not expecting what we found out. Their equipment is so up to date that they take pictures of your individual teeth, and they can show you immediately what your teeth look like and what kind of work you need and why you need it. It isn't just that he looks in your mouth and says, this is what I found. You know, because you can see it yourself. Well, this is a lot more extensive than I was expecting, and quite frankly, I was nervous when I came in because I knew it was going to mean shots and drilling and stuff like that, and I didn't really want that. But they calmed me down very, very quickly. Because of the people and centeredness and customer service that they work on, I felt very comfortable with every single person. You're not treated as an object. You're treated as somebody they want to make sure is in the best of possible health. They not only check for your teeth, but they check for whether or not you have throat cancer, tongue cancer, or mouth cancer of any sort as well. Well, I had several shots. I didn't feel them at all. I was in the chair with the oral hygienist, who was also extremely professional, and in the dental chair for 2.5 hours. When I walked out, I was elated. I had had no pain, I had had no discomfort. The staff were just extremely kind and understanding and very pleasant to be with, very professional, knew exactly what they needed to do. They knew what instruments he needed immediately, and when I walked out, I was extremely happy. And this office, its people, its decor, the technical skills and the professionalism is the gold standard. Without question, I would recommend that you come in for a visit. You'll be just as impressed as we were. Thanks.